Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is mushroom wild rice soup. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
Before we start cooking, let's work on the preparation of the ingredients. Half cup wild rice, soaked in water overnight, then drained. 4 ounces onion, diced. 4 ounces carrot, cut into small pieces like a corn kernel size. 4 ounces celery, cut into small pieces like a corn kernel size. 4 ounces mushroom, cut into small pieces like a corn kernel size. 8 ounces potato, skin removed, cut into small pieces like a corn kernel size. The broth consists of 2 cups chicken broth, 2 cups water, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and half teaspoon white pepper powder. The white pepper powder is optional. 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil. Previously, I did a show on how to DIY ginger infused oil. If you do a search on my channel, you should be able to find it. We finished the preparation. Now we are ready to cook. I am turning on the electric wok to 400 degrees, which is high heat for an electric stove or a gas stove. I am adding 4 tablespoons ginger infused oil to let it heat for 1 minute until the oil is hot. It's been a minute. The oil is hot. We are going to cook the onion for 1 minute until the onion is slightly soft. It's been a minute. The onion is slightly soft. Now we're going to add mushroom, celery, carrot, potato, rice, and the broth. We're going to cook for 9 minutes with cover on. After it starts boiling, it takes about 4 minutes to come to a boil. It's been 9 minutes since it started boiling. I just removed the cover and turned off the heat. Serve hot. Enjoy.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.
I hope you enjoyed this dish, which is fast, affordable, and tasty. Happy home cooking. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.